Learning VFX is hard, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing the updated Epic VFX Masterclass 2.0. Learn how to create Epic VFX from A to Z. No prior knowledge required. My name is Ignace Aleya, and this is my masterclass. Including 3D modeling, animation, tracking, HDRI maps, sci-fi robot creation, scene lighting, particle simulations, compositing, and much, much more. Epic VFX 2.0, the all-inclusive and most comprehensive VFX masterclass available online. Follow the training videos on your pace. Claim your seat right now. Ignace and Associates are not responsible for sudden increase in epicness, attractiveness, and geniusness. All rights reserved.